Have the JBL Go 4. Let's unbox it. Pretty nice here. Love this color scheme. Let's see if there's anything else in the box here. Looks like it's just safety and warranty information, quick start guide, and that is it. Doesn't come with much, just the device right here. Pretty nice. You have your buttons on the left hand side right there. Yeah, that is pretty much it. USB-C for charging, volume up, down, and I think this should be play. And that is it. That concludes the unboxing.